Dreaming of becoming doctors? Study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Deni Linda Higher Secondary School Dumtring haka nyotrek nailar arja arpun riu kala rakhi ke jing dap Southpost Snem jong school haka jing ya lenti jong ka ban ai ke jing shakri shaki khna puli haka tai ka dong ka than haka ni ka sngi lawan baneshim banta roba Charles Pingrove u MLA ka nong thamai constituency kumukong san haringkat ka jing don lang ka kong S Marbanyang ka principal jong ka school u ba pi dekhar rang bas dong Dumtring ki nong seng ka school na lor ki wi pan Lapani po ipieng ya ka Jingrakhe da ka jingshat jingtam na lor ka fancy dress naki khana puli jong ka school. Hagani ka sngi nakaliang ukong san ula palat pat ba ya ka souvenir jong ka school but haga juk opor ula penbanaru ban ai sngobha shipa ulak sa ka school nakabanta ki kam ka school. Habai jingkran uba Charles Pingrove ula ai ka jingro ya ki nong panya jong ka school halor ka jingshakri ka bakila ai nakabanta ki khana puli bola kenturu ya ki khana bakin long ki batreshtam haka puli puthi.
I must tell you what happened yesterday. In my 25 years as a politician, I never thought that I'll make such a big mistake. As usual, I got up early in the morning, had a bath, changed, and wore on my suit, the same one. And as I sat on the breakfast table with my wife, I looked at my watch and I said, why are you showing the 6th? Today is the 7th.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.